The Quran, the holy book of Islam, describes a remarkable event, the splitting of the moon. This event is not just a tale from ancient times, but a profound moment that has been etched into the spiritual consciousness of millions. The Quran, revered by Muslims as the ultimate guide, recounts this miraculous event with vivid imagery and deep significance. This event, as narrated in Surat Al-Qamar, stands as a divine miracle witnessed by people on earth. Imagine the awe and wonder of those who looked up at the night sky and saw the moon, a constant celestial companion, suddenly split in two. This was not just a fleeting moment, but a powerful sign that left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those who witnessed it. Verse 54:1 states, "The hour of judgment is nigh, and the moon has split." This verse is a stark reminder of the transient nature of our world and the impending reality of the Day of Judgment. The splitting of the moon serves as a harbinger, a celestial event that signals the nearness of the final hour. This verse sets the stage for a powerful narrative that has captivated believers and intrigued skeptics for centuries. The imagery of the moon splitting is not just a physical phenomenon, but a symbol of the divine intervention in the natural order. It challenges our understanding of the universe and invites us to ponder the mysteries of creation. The splitting of the moon is presented not just as a historical event, but also as a sign of the approaching Day of Judgment. It is a moment that transcends time, connecting the past, present, and future in a single, awe-inspiring event. The moon, a symbol of constancy and stability, is shown to be subject to the will of the Creator. The event's magnitude is meant to evoke awe and contemplation about the power of the divine. It is a call to reflect on our place in the universe and the ultimate reality that lies beyond our earthly existence. The splitting of the moon is a reminder that there are forces at work that are beyond our comprehension, and it is a testament to the boundless power of God. It serves as a reminder of the ultimate reality that awaits beyond our earthly existence. The moon, a constant presence in our night sky, becomes a symbol of the divine message, urging us to look beyond the material world and seek the deeper truths of our existence. The Quran's description of the moon splitting is vivid and evocative. It paints a picture that is both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of the grandeur of the universe and the power of its creator. The imagery used in the Quran is designed to stir the soul and ignite a sense of wonder and reverence. It speaks of a time when the moon was cleaved, a moment of profound significance in Islamic history. This event is not just a story, but a pivotal moment that has shaped the faith and beliefs of millions. It is a testament to the enduring power of the divine message and its ability to inspire and transform. This event has been the subject of much discussion and interpretation, inspiring both faith and scientific inquiry. Scholars and believers alike have pondered the meaning and implications of the moon splitting, seeking to understand its significance and the message it conveys. It is a topic that continues to inspire debate and reflection, bridging the gap between faith and reason. The image of the moon splitting is a powerful metaphor for the disruptive nature of divine power. It challenges our perceptions and forces us to confront the reality of a higher power that can alter the very fabric of the universe. This metaphor serves as a reminder of the transient nature of our existence and the ultimate authority of the Creator. It represents a break from the ordinary, a moment when the laws of nature seem to bend to a higher will. The splitting of the moon is a moment that defies explanation, a supernatural event that transcends the boundaries of human understanding. It is a testament to the power of the divine, and a reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond our comprehension. This event continues to resonate with Muslims around the world as a testament to the boundless power of God. It is a source of inspiration and faith, a reminder of the divine presence in our lives. The splitting of the moon is a symbol of the enduring power of the divine message and its ability to inspire and transform. It is a moment that transcends time and space, connecting believers across generations and cultures in a shared experience of awe and reverence. Beyond the Quranic verses, numerous hadiths, which are accounts of the Prophet Muhammad's sayings and actions, corroborate the moon-splitting event. These hadiths are considered highly significant in Islamic tradition, as they provide a deeper understanding of the Prophet's life and the miracles associated with him. These narrations provide further details about the event and its context. They offer insights into the circumstances under which the miracle occurred, the reactions of the people who witnessed it, and the broader implications it had on the early Muslim community. They describe how the people of Mecca challenged the Prophet Muhammad to perform a miracle, and in response, God split the moon into two distinct halves. This challenge was a significant moment, as it was meant to test the Prophet's claim of divine prophethood. One well-known hadith narrates that the Prophet Muhammad, when asked for a sign of his prophethood, pointed to the moon. This act was not just a simple gesture, but a profound moment that demonstrated the divine support for the Prophet's mission. To the astonishment of those present, the moon appeared to split in two, with one half appearing behind a mountain. This visual phenomenon left a lasting impression on the witnesses, both believers and skeptics alike. This event is said to have occurred in the early years of Islam, before the Prophet's migration to Medina. The timing of this miracle is crucial, as it happened during a period of intense scrutiny and opposition to the Prophet's message. Historical accounts suggest that the moon-splitting event was witnessed not only by the Prophet's followers, but also by his skeptics. This widespread witnessing added to the credibility of the event and played a role in the gradual acceptance of Islam by some of the skeptics. Some narrations mention that travelers from distant lands also reported seeing the moon split, further solidifying the event's authenticity among early Muslims. These travelers' accounts were crucial, as they provided an external validation of the miracle beyond the immediate community of Mecca. These hadiths and historical narratives have been passed down through generations of Muslims, solidifying the event's place in Islamic tradition. The transmission of these stories through oral and written traditions has ensured that the miracle remains a significant part of Islamic heritage. They serve as a testament to the miraculous nature of the event and its significance in the life of the Prophet Muhammad. The moon-splitting miracle is often cited as a powerful example of divine intervention and a clear sign of the Prophet's connection to the divine. It continues to inspire faith and devotion among Muslims around the world, reminding them of the extraordinary events that marked the early days of Islam. The Quran's description of the moon splitting has sparked curiosity among some scientists and astronomers. This ancient text, revered by millions, mentions an event so extraordinary that it has led to centuries of debate and wonder. The idea that the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, could have once been split in two is both fascinating and perplexing. Could there be any physical evidence on the lunar surface to support this ancient claim? The moon's surface, with its myriad of craters, ridges, and valleys, tells a story of a celestial body that has endured countless impacts and geological changes over billions of years. But is there a specific marker that could point to such a dramatic event as the moon splitting? While the Quran does not specify whether the split was temporary or permanent, the idea of such a dramatic event has led to speculation about potential geological markers. Ancient manuscripts and texts often leave much to interpretation, and the Quranic description is no exception. The imagery of a split moon has captured the imagination of many, leading to various theories and hypotheses. Modern science has provided us with detailed images and analyses of the lunar surface thanks to decades of space exploration and lunar missions. The Apollo missions in particular have given us an unprecedented look at the moon's terrain. Satellite imagery and data from lunar rovers have further enriched our understanding, revealing a landscape that is both familiar and alien. We now know that the moon is covered in craters, ridges, and valleys, evidence of a tumultuous history of impacts and geological activity. Each crater tells a story of a collision with a meteorite or asteroid, while the ridges and valleys hint at the moon's internal processes. This complex and varied landscape is a testament to the moon's dynamic history. Some have pointed to these lunar features as possible evidence of the moon-splitting event. They argue that certain formations could be remnants of a cataclysmic event that temporarily divided the moon. However, these interpretations are often met with skepticism within the scientific community. However, attributing any specific feature to a single ancient event is highly speculative and scientifically challenging. The moon's surface has been shaped by countless events over an immense span of time, making it difficult to isolate the impact of one particular occurrence. Scientists must rely on rigorous analysis and evidence to draw conclusions, and the idea of a moon-splitting event remains a topic of debate. The moon's surface has been shaped by billions of years of cosmic bombardment, and isolating a single event's impact is a daunting task. Each impact, large or small, has left its mark, contributing to the moon's current appearance. Simulations and time-lapse imagery help scientists understand these processes, but the sheer scale of time involved adds to the complexity. Despite the lack of conclusive scientific evidence, the Quran's description of the moon splitting continues to inspire wonder and inquiry. For many, this verse is a reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. It challenges us to look deeper, to question and to explore the unknown. It serves as a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. The night sky, with its countless stars and celestial bodies, is a source of endless fascination. The moon, in particular, has been a subject of human curiosity for millennia, symbolizing both the known and the unknown. While science seeks to understand the natural world through observation and experimentation, some phenomena may lie beyond our current scientific understanding. The quest for knowledge is ongoing, and each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe. Yet, there will always be mysteries that challenge our perceptions and inspire us to keep exploring. The story of Dawood Musa Pidcock, a British convert to Islam, illustrates how the verse describing the moon splitting can have a profound impact on individuals' spiritual journeys. Pidcock, a former Christian, was initially skeptical of Islam but was drawn to the Quran's message. One day, while reading the Quran, Pidcock came across verse 54:1, which describes the moon splitting. At first, he dismissed it as a fantastical tale. However, the verse stayed with him, prompting him to research both the scientific and religious perspectives on the event. Pidcock's journey led him to explore the historical accounts of the moon splitting, the Quranic interpretations, and the scientific research on the lunar surface. He was particularly struck by the sincerity of the Prophet Muhammad's followers who claimed to have witnessed the event. Ultimately, it was not the scientific evidence but the spiritual resonance of verse 54, one that led Pidcock to embrace Islam. He saw the event as a testament to the power of God and the truth of the Prophet Muhammad's message. Pidcock's story highlights how religious texts can inspire faith and guide individuals on their spiritual paths.